What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Jake, and today I'm going to be doing a PC teardown video suggested by I'm Yams1. I apologize if I butchered your name, but I got the PC behind me. This thing is massive. I actually just measured it. It measures in at about 31.3 pounds, which is huge. It's massive, massive. So really quickly I'll go over a few things about it. I actually did some upgrades recently. I took the hard drive cage out. I moved the lights around on the inside. I ordered new lights, which should be coming today unless they were canceled correctly, because I tried to cancel them and blah 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 blah. I also painted the case, which I'll do an overlay for you right now. I painted the mesh silver and the black outlines blue. The top didn't come out as well as I thought it would, but the front came out nearly perfect. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and just let you take a look at the inside, and then we'll do starting of the teardown. There we go. We'll go ahead and go into some of the specs in case some people aren't familiar. It's got an i7-3770K with a Gigabyte Z77X D3H motherboard, 16 gigs of Corsair RAM, and H100i liquid cooler running in push configuration. We have an NZXT fan in the front, Corsair airflow fan in the back for exhaust, 2 Corsair SP fans for static pressure on the radiator, 1 airflow on the bottom, a Corsair CX750M power supply, keeping everything running, and 2 GTX 7 Force, wow, GTX 7 Force, that's good, GeForce GTX 760 graphics cards, and I didn't really miss much besides an ADATA SSD right down here, followed by a 1 terabyte and a 500 gig. The 500 gig is for programs and files, the terabytes for media, and the ADATA, of course, is for my operating system, which runs beautifully. So I took the hard drive cage out. It was very, very easy. It literally slides closed or slides out if you push 2 parts down. Took it right out. I have the little box for these blue cathode lights in here now, so you can't really see it from that angle at least. So everything looks super, super nice. It runs very cool. It runs very quiet, and I'm definitely very satisfied. So I'm going to go ahead and power this baby down. I have no idea how long this video is going to take, but I will be sure to fast forward everything, speed it up and slow it down at some points, and I think you guys are going to like it. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to tear it down from this to remaining with the lights, because these were a pain in the ass to put in, most likely. The hard drives will be easy to take out, but the power supply is going to stay in, because I recently did a lot of cable management that would be a pain in the ass to undo. So pretty much this will be bare, and that's all that really matters. So without further ado, I have my pad over here so I can stay entertained while we're doing this, and let's go ahead and get started.
If nothing is how it used to be, then I don't wanna be here inside the eye of hurricanes, where we are enemies. Take me back to where we're from, a place where you and I begun. Give me back my faith in us, my faith in love. 'Cause you feel like home and I'm a runaway, and I know that without you I wouldn't last one day. 'Cause you feel like home and if this is the road that we will take. Walking the line between bend and break. I need a hand to hold on to, but yours is far away. Take me back to where we're from, way before all of this begun. Give me back my faith in us, my faith in love. 'Cause you feel like home and I'm a runaway, and I know that without you I wouldn't last one day. No.
Alright, you guys, you have probably seen the most of it, really. I'm going to go ahead and pause where the miller's here. That's all I'm really going to do, and I'm going to build it back up. So, what we have here are the bare bones and the parts that are literally the hardest to take out, and I'll explain why. The SSD is already Velcro mounted, and that was a real pain to get in, especially to fit right there. But I'll go ahead and go over why the radiator and the fans are the biggest pain. The reason for that is, well, the radiator not so much, but the fans, Corsair fans come with these rubber grommets. These are little things that kind of stick out. They are meant to be for anti-vibration, which I completely get, and I definitely respect Corsair for making them. The only problem with them is that when you are trying to install them when you're trying to install the fans with maybe other fan screws, if you don't like the Corsair ones that they give you, they're not bad. They're kind of the flatter ones. They're not as hideous looking as the other ones, and they kind of fill that entire space instead of just a little bit smaller. But the problem is that they tend to grip the rubber, and then it kind of tears them apart, as you can see on the inside there. That was only one little peeve that I had about that. So taking the fans out is going to be a no, but right now I have everything in here, just the SSD, the radiator, and the pump, the power supply, the fans, and one light, which is right up there. But for the most part, we're completely empty. So this is actually really cool. I actually haven't done this. So I'm gonna, again, thanks for I'mYams1 for definitely recommending that I do a teardown. I thought it was an okay idea at first, and now I think it's a great idea. So the only thing that's gonna be a pain in the ass is putting the front panel connectors back on there. But for the most part, I think I know what to do. We only disconnected a few things just from the motherboard. Power supply over here, power supply for the CPU, USB cable for the H100i pump, and just all the SATA connectors. So I might just rearrange that after I throw the board back in, dust some stuff off a little bit, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, and I'll put you back on here. And there we go. And let's continue.
It was so long ago. There was a place that we used to go. We'd get lost. It's a memory from the past. It's a shame it couldn't last, but I'm still playing in my mind the words you said. Take me feeling is not enough. Trying to chase it, but it runs from me. The moment that lit the spark. Remember how it used to be, before it all turns to dust. Let's try to make this dream real, 'cause I'm still holding on. It's a memory from the past. It's a shame it couldn't last, but I'm still playing in my mind the words you said. Take me back to where we were. Take me back to where we were. Take me back to where we were.
Alrighty, well, just about sums it up. Everything should be perfectly functional once more. Nothing's really tidied up anymore. These are switched, so I accidentally put the normal on the bottom and the super clock on the top, which is fine. It's not going to affect anything at all. The lights are still in there. I should probably reconnect the other one while I still have some power. The switch on the back is off. So that was the... Ooh, haha! I missed something. So that was the PC teardown video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. In the editing, of course, there's going to be fast forwarding, you know, and music, so I keep you guys somewhat entertained. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. We have the next giveaway coming up at 2,000 subscribers, so that's going to be awesome. Actually, really looking forward to that. So, again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.